What's good, guys? It's Ron's Rides, and you are in the back of Maserati Alfa Romeo of Daytona Beach, where you are looking at the dealership's first 2018 Maserati Ghibli Nerissimo. Now, the Nerissimo is the black out package, which includes the blacked out wheels, the blacked out window trim, the blacked out exhaust tips, all that stuff. You guys have seen in my videos previously Nerissimos, right? When they first came out, you saw one in Orlando, and then you saw one in Daytona, and we've had several since then. This is our first 2018 model, which means the 2018 Ghiblis got refreshed with front bumper and the rears, and they got Grand Sport model, Grand Lusso. Now this is our first refreshed Nerissimo for 2018. We've had 2017 models in the older style Ghiblis, but now we have the 2018 model. So a couple of different things. So it looks a little bit different, a little more aggressive, a little bit more styling to it for 2018. And you can actually take another step along this range and update different options like the headlights. You can do stuff like the powertrain, the interior. So this one is actually the S model, so that will let you know that it is the 424 horsepower model, because we got that 20 horsepower boost for 2018. So this will be faster than your 2017 Nerissimos right off the back. Then looking at it here, you do have the redesigned reflectors in the rear, where they're a lot skinnier and longer compared to the fatter, shorter ones for the 17 and previous models. But remember, the previous models besides 17 were Nerissimos. You also have the rear bumper redesign. Okay, so it's got more of a curvature feel to it. All right, it wraps the paint all the way around the side instead of stopping it here and going matte finish all the way across. And this one has the matte finish down here with the extra diffuser piece at the bottom here. So that is one of those things where you see it right off the back and you're like, oh yeah, I remember they did change that for 2018. With the Nerissimo, you also get your exhaust tips done in black, so a lot more menacing in the back. You normally will have chrome exhaust tips, which that would stand out like a sore thumb. Kind of like the emblems here. I wish everything was kind of blacked out. I think it'd give it an even more menacing look and just really make a statement. That was one of my only complaints with the Nerissimo. I feel like they could have taken that, you know, the Ghibli sign, the Maserati sign and everything, and blacked it out as well. Something you could probably change if you wanted to, just get it wrapped really easily. It probably won't cost much, but the black tips do look good. And we'll take a step back and look at it. What do you guys think? Makes a big difference? I definitely think so, because I can imagine them being chrome, and I can imagine it standing out like a sore thumb for sure. Now you do get your black trim along the window here as well. I also wish maybe they could have done the Trident done in black. You know, mixed feelings about that, because the Trident, you really kind of want to stand out because it's Maserati and it's a very prestigious emblem, so you kind of want that Trident to stick out. But the black around here, it definitely gives it a nice look over the chrome. They did black out the door handles as well, so normally the door handles done in chrome, you will see those done in black. That, I mean, with the windows tinted, this whole thing just looks like darkness coming down the street. Not sure how I feel about that. You guys definitely comment below about Trident black or Trident chrome, which one's better. The black Urano wheels are definitely a highlight to this car. Just menacing. You guys know I'm a big fan of these, as I did mine in black, but they didn't come factory, and this is the factory look. Looks phenomenal, especially with that Trident in the center there, and with the red calipers, Pirelli P0s to match it, Brembo brakes. I mean, you can't get any better than this. This is just awesome. Now, a 21-inch option of the Titanos would be nice too, but I'm really feeling the Urano wheels in black. And like I said, I've seen this before, but it really tops it off. You know, this is just something that it needed, just in general, not with the Nerissimo, but just this option in general is just incredible. Now, one option we don't have on here is the full LED headlights. This is the same headlight style and housing from 2014 when the Ghibli first came out, but in 2018 they came out with slimmer, sharper, and full LED headlights. These don't look bad, don't get me wrong, but I definitely think I would like to see the full LED headlights in this, because I think it looked that more aggressive, that more mean with the rest of the car. You do have the redesigned front lip for 2018. Bigger lip, bigger grille, all right? And then you do have the blacked out trim piece around the Trident, but the chrome up top, I definitely would like to see that in black, okay? Gloss black up top here on the chrome, keep the Trident because you want to see that coming at you. You don't want to hide that. You do have the gloss black here, and you do have the new front bumper, which looks really good. We'll step back and see that too. Looks really good with the front bumper. It just gives it a wider mouth look, more styling. But yeah, with that black trim around it, I really love it. Now we went pretty basic with this interior, all black, no really optioned out leather or exterior pieces as far as the trim goes. Very basic for this, no paddle shifters, no aluminum pedals. That cardboard is down there because we don't have the mats in, and this hasn't been detailed yet. It's in the back, fresh for our inventory, so it's not even on the lot yet. But pretty simple interior. I mean, you can get the Nerissimo done in anything as far as color. I would really like to see this in red. Like, imagine the Nerissimo with the red calipers and the red interior. I know I'm biased, guys, because I have red, but holy crap. If I had red with paddle shifters and aluminum pedals all day long. All day long. But yeah, it's pretty basic in the inside. Step to the back. Same thing, pretty basic. You know, I can't really, I guess, gloat or showcase this interior because there's not much to say about it as far as what we optioned out. You can do a lot better with Maserati as far as the options go in the interior. You know, you can do the sports steering wheel, like I said, the trim, you can do different woods, you can do carbon fiber, gloss piano wood, and then the options like the paddles and the pedals, stuff like that. But we went really light on this one, just so it will sell quick. Somebody more in the entry-level range of the Maseratis, and they can get one that's all blacked out. So what you're looking at is a 2018 Nerissimo Maserati Ghibli S, and your final MSRP is going to be $84,275. That is what you got for this. Now, the Nerissimo package, if you're wondering how much it is $2,000. Okay, so you're wondering, $2,000, man, is that worth it? You guys decide what you think. You know, getting all this stuff done from the factory is very convenient. So I'm gonna call this the convenience black package. And I think I've said this in a video before. You don't have to set appointments. You don't have to get charged different prices. You don't have to wait. You just get it. It's all blacked out. It's ready. It's off the lot. And you just, I mean, it's just there for you. You know, a lot of times people buy things because right away because they're impatient and maybe they want to, you know, get something right away and get it how they think it would look and how they would like it. A lot of people go and they black out, they do chrome deletes and black out these cars, whether it's white, whether it's red, whether it's blue, they do all the chrome delete stuff. So now you kind of have it already done for you at your convenience. I don't recommend, I mean, this with the original Maserati rims in black, you know, that's tough to do. So $2,000 may be the best bet for you, and just buying it like this, and then maybe you just, you know, black out some other stuff like the fenders and the chrome up front and the chrome in the back. Maybe you do that stuff yourself, but it's a convenience package. You have to find out yourself, is it worth the $2,000 to have this right off the lot? So with that said, guys, it's the 2018 Maserati Ghibli S at 424 horsepower with the more basic interior, but the black package, worth it? Is it worth the $84,000 to you? Now you can definitely get it, like I said, with more options to make it even more money. When you're doing the LED headlights and the seats difference, you know, the color, the sports seats, the trim level, the sport steering wheel, all that kind of stuff. You can option different things out. So at what it is now at this level, is it worth the $84,000 to you? A lot of that money is coming from the powertrain because you can get the base model version at 345 horsepower. So let me know what you guys think. One, I want to know, is $84,000 worth it? Two, I want to know, is $2,000 worth the Nerissimo package? And three, would you black out that Trident there? This has been Ron's Rides. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I will be talking to you in the next one. Stay tuned, give the video a like to support the channel. Subscribe for more Maserati Alfa Romeo content. Until then, I'll see you guys later. Peace.